What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Joining me today is Duck, and we're gonna make some art. Tell us about some art.
We're playing with score as art, doing both visual art and music by dropping a pen on sheet music, then turning that into pitch constellations that we're going to paint and turn into cards.
Pretty cool stuff. So join us, follow, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and stick around.
Drop an archival pen on the stack paper 1 to 4 times per section because we have 12 cards. And then make a watercolor painting for each of the cards to accompany it. I'm trying to implement more of the traditional musical symbols to accompany the lack of direction and musical direction. Because that's been the fun part for me, is like abandoning traditional notation rules but still sticking to the staff because that's familiar. The splatters aren't explicitly musical symbols that we're used to, but I'm treating it as if it is. Failure only exists if you let. In the spirit of this kind of thing, like, that's why part of why I'm doing it is to like let go of expectation and just like let it be what it's gonna be. I'm thinking it's time to draw some staves. Performers will take 1 card per performer, and then they can only play the notes on that card however they want, but they can only play that.
guys for coming along on this journey. You can find Duck's artwork at...
Duck Draws Things on Instagram.
Very cool. Definitely check that out. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Keep this channel going. Help us grow. Join the community. See other cool artists like Duck. See Duck some more. And turned out really cool. You guys be good. Be blessed. Duck, do you have anything to say?
Keep making art.
Keep making art.
Contribute to the masterpiece of humanity, or whatever.
Love it.
Hell yeah, brother.
All right, guys. Peace.